Hello guys, this is your boy Ali Solanki and today we'll be talking about how to land your first internship. Now I know most of you guys watching this video would not have any skills or experience worth mentioning in the CV. So don't worry guys, watch this video till the end. I've got it all covered out. Now, why should you be listening to me? This is because I managed to get my first 2 internships and founded 2 companies in my first year itself. So I've been on both sides of the table, getting hired as an intern as well as hiring interns for my companies. Also guys, 2 of our videos have crossed over 1000 views on this channel. I'm really glad for all the support that you pour in. Please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow a lot. Before we talk about the how, let's talk about the why. The reason why you should be getting an internship if you don't have one already is because it is the best place to learn something new. Also, internships provide the required eligibility criteria for experience that most of the jobs seek. It familiarizes you with the industry that you want to pursue. It also gives you a clear idea about what you actually want to pursue. Because through the education system alone, you will not get a precise idea about what the industry expects out of you. Along with this, if you perform well at an internship, then they might even give you a job offer letter at the company itself and may even recruit you. Also, internships provide stipend which will help you throughout your college life. It will help you become financially independent. You wouldn't have to go and ask your parents for all your spendings.
ये ऐसा वाला मशीन किधर मिलता है?
क्यों?
घर पे 2 गोनी भर के पैसा पड़ा है, गिनने नहीं हो रहा है.
Internships, therefore, are extremely important in the college life. Your peers will definitely look for internship opportunities and will have an advantage over you when it comes to placements. Now, recruiters specifically look at the candidate's work experience before hiring. Higher the work experience, the better. Apart from this, almost all the courses in the management field or even some courses in the engineering field require you to have some amount of work experience before you start. And internships are the best and the only way to achieve this. When the placement rounds start at your college, think of why would a person want to hire you. Apart from the skills that you bring to the table, a major part is work experience. And for having experience, you must get internships before it's too late. Now the question is, where do we find these internships? Now the place where I got my first internship was through Internshala. You can check that website out. It is especially for students who are looking for an internship. Apart from that, you can even look for jobs through LinkedIn or Stack Overflow. I will list some of the websites down in the description box below, so do check them out if you're looking for an internship. Along with this, there would be so many people vouching for the same position as you are. The only thing that will make you different from the rest of the crowd would be experience. If you follow these steps with full dedication, I guarantee you that you will find your first proper internship. Remember, first impression is the last impression. And the first thing that the recruiters will see about you is your CV. And that's why it becomes extremely important to have a great CV. So let's talk about some of the tips for making the perfect CV for yourself. First is use a simple yet informative template. I will be linking some of the templates for resumes down in the description box below so you can go and check them out. The second point is no one actually has the time to go through your entire CV. So keep it short and simple. And please do not include irrelevant personal information on your CV. I had seen some of the CVs which included a black belt in karate in the skill section for a technical job. Please do not commit such a blunder. I mean, unless Python decides to attack you, it's useless. Other than that, apply for small companies. Small companies are not looking for very experienced people. Interns are a better option for them. It's a win-win situation both for the companies as well as for the interns. When you're starting afresh in the industry, apart from the experience, they even look at what activities that you have done. Now, these activities must be related to the same domain that you are applying for, like online courses, projects, and even attending some seminars. If you're not a part of a student club, I'd recommend you to join one. Even if the activity seems unrelated, it can give you transferable skills. Now, these skills can be leveraged in the interview rounds. Just for an example, if you're an athlete, you can emphasize your ability to work well on a team or be a leader, both of which are skills used in a work setting. To underline the point, I was recently chatting with someone who was the marketing head of a major fashion house, and she was probably in her mid 20s or so. It was her dream job. I asked her a bit about how she got into that position and what she had to do in order to achieve it. So she told me about all the activities that she had done in her high school as well as in her college to indulge her interest in fashion as well as marketing. She had attended numerous seminars, workshops, and even taken online courses in her college. I realized that this is the same thing that I see in the most competitive candidates in my own field. Apart from this, you can even volunteer in different activities. Perhaps this is the easiest way to gain experience. With companies caring more and more about the corporate social responsibility, volunteering can only help you. It shows the employers that you are willing to give back and contribute to the community. You might even be able to volunteer in an area which is related to your industry. Say, for example, you are interested in education and you volunteer by teaching underprivileged children. In the eyes of the employer, this real world experience is just as valuable as an internship or a job. Ultimately, if you engage in activities that will highlight your skills or even your personal traits, then you should have no problem in getting an internship or even a job. The next thing that you need to do is expand your skill set. To make your resume stand out from the other applicants, it is very essential to list down all of your skills in the resume itself. Now, these skills must be relevant to the industry that you are going in. To develop these skills, you can take online courses from Coursera, Udemy, or any other reputed website that you can find online. You can use these websites to become proficient in various different domains like web development, mobile app development, and many more. Whether you know how to code or even grow a large social media following, make sure to list these skills in your resume. This will give you a competitive advantage over the other applicants. Other than this, take relevant classes. Yes, take advantage of all those extra classes that your school or your college provides. You can refer to them in an interview to demonstrate your initiative to learn as much as possible about a particular field. Consider how you can leverage these skills like critical thinking or problem solving in an interview. And no matter what your career aspirations are, make sure to take at least one extra course in your college. To land a role at any big company, you need to stand out from the crowd. And this goes well with internships as well as jobs. Also, one more thing, work on independent projects. This becomes extremely important when you're applying for an internship or even a job. Now, when you're applying for an internship, make sure it is in a niche which you want to pursue in the future. Internships with important perks like LOR, letter of recommendation, certificate, or even flexible timings are very important. Also, I see a lot of people making this blunder of not taking the offer letter before they start working in an internship. Please do not do this. Make sure everything is documented properly. It also helps you avoid any further complications that might arise during your internship. Also, if you have any doubts or any queries, leave them in the comment section below or message me on Instagram as I'm quite active over there. If you would like to share anything else, then do go to the comment section below and type it down. I would be happy to see all of your comments there. Also, if you're a millennial or someone who really likes self-help channels or self-growth channels, then do check out my channel as it has a lot of videos about that topic.